Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Chapter number 12, Theorem 1 and Theorem 3. Theorem 1. Theorem 1 is there. The measure of the central angle of a minor arc of a circle is doubled that the angle subtended by the corresponding major arc. Yes class. This is the circle. This is a circle. This is a circle. This is a center. The question is the measure of the central angle of a minor arc of a circle. Central angle, this is the central angle is like this. This is the central angle. Is the minor arc. This is the minor arc of a circle is doubled that the angle subtended by corresponding major arc. Another angle we make corresponding of this one, and this is the major arc. Understand that? So what is the given is there, and we write here A B C, and we cut this line at point D. Now there are the two triangles. There is the O, that is the angle 1, and there is the angle 2, right? And it is the angle 3 and it is the angle 4, and outer angle it is the 5 and it is the angle 6. Understand that? So what is the given is there? Given AC A to C is an arc of a circle with center O, right? Where is angle AOC? AOC is the central angle. Angle AOC is the central angle, right? AOC is the central angle and ABC is the circumangle. Circumangle means it cut the circumference of the circle, and angle ABC is the circumangle, right? So angle AOC, so you write here we have to prove that to prove measure angle AOC equals to 2 times of this, in double of this ABC, 2 times measure ABC. Understand that? Construction, what we have to construct here? Construction join B to O and proceed it to meet the circle at point D. Join B to O and proceed produce it to meet the circle at point D. Write the angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 as shown in the figure. Understand that? Now we have to prove that measure angle 1 equals to angle 3. Angle 1 equals to angle 3. Check that. Angle 1 equals to angle 3. Why? Because this angle is an isosceles triangle, AOC triangle. Angle 1 equals to angle 3, right? Angle 1 equals to angle 3. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Angle opposite triangle of equal sides of triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, angle 1 equals to angle 3. In triangle BOC, angle 2 equals to angle 4. Now angle 5 is equal to, what is the angle 5? This angle 5. This angle 5. This angle 5 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 5 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 6 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4, right? Again angle 5 is equals to 1 plus 3, and 1 equals to 3. It's mean that 2 times 3. Angle 6 is equal to angle 4 angle 4 plus angle 2, and angle 2 equals to angle 4. Angle 4 plus angle 4 is equal to 2 times angle 4. Then form of the figure, angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 2 times angle 3 plus 2 times angle 4. 2 takes common. It's mean that mere angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to angle AOC equals to 2 times angle 3 plus 4 2 times angle ABC. Hence proved. Understand? Any problem? No? Okay. Now we have to start the theorem 3.